goes like this. Just pass it straight in. Paddle. Oh yeah, bro. Huh? Yeah, bro. You on? Mm-hmm. Pretty good too, I think. Let's see. Making me do laps. Oh, bro, huge. Bro. Bro, this is a pain in the ass, the thing being connected, eh? I can't get it. I'm gonna tip up here, bro. I can't get this. No. Oh, bro. Bro, that is a monster. Yeah. As I said, the only person that's got, I think, measuring is that. Woo! There he goes.
Get him.
Huh?
See, he's just in there.
What are you talking about? Oh, that.
He just popped up.
That, yeah. Come here, bro. Get him in. If they come to the surface like that, you should be able to get them on surface. Huh? Tried it? Nothing?
Yeah, I couldn't believe I got snapped off by.
Jesse got... Oh, you're joking. Yeah, baby. Oh, it feels light. I'll just lose that. You're kid. That is well and truly. Lost my Spectre. Are you on? Bank? Bro. Oh, that's so devastating. Oh, this thing is like lead. Straight to the bottom. Big weed fish. Line's not going slack, like it's not getting to the bottom. Yeah, Zacko. You. Oh, good fish too.
It's not getting flat because you're onto a fish, you said.
Huh? Oi, I was like, it's not going slack. Oh. Oh, good bass too. Wait, can you come net this for me?
Oh, Jane, I reckon that orange one I gave Zacko's got that fucking visibility about it.
Oi, 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 oi. That is a big bass. He's not massive, he's big, but he's... Hey Jesse, get one of these dogs off ya. This is the last one.
Zacko just caught that from over there.
This? I just caught this from right under him.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You just caught it from over there. He caught it from under your kayak.
I cast it like literally a metre behind him, eh? And it wouldn't go slack. I was like, why is it not going slack? There was fish on. That is thick, eh?
Yeah. You got your phone there?
Chew.
Oh, you got it on your phone.
Yeah, here, rip the photo.
Yeah, baby. One sec, photo.
Huh?
As soon as you put them on the thing to measure them, those look
Went skits.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
You get that one on GoPro?
Yeah.
They don't hit these very hard though, hey?
Boy, I was like this.
Run with it.
I was like this. And you wait for the line. When the line goes slack, I know it's on the bottom.
Yeah.
And it just wasn't going slack. So I started winding and then it took off.
Yeah.
I was like, look, it hit it on the first drop, like.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's a fair few for today.
Between a lot of us.
Yeah, and save a lot of us, haven't we?
Wait, you can crank this, bro. You want to crank this? Hey? I'll give you my whole... You can use this whole rod instead of tying on different. Hey? Yeah, baby.
Oh, for fuck's sake. That was too bad.
Oh, I want to get out of this weed, bro. Do not. Do not. Oh, good bass again. You want your lure back?
No.
That was the very next... Oi, very next cast, eh? 2 from 2.
Same size, bigger?
He's a bit smaller. He's probably the same as the 34, I reckon.
Pretty thick, but
Yeah.
oh, mate, he's catching fish all around your kayak, mate.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna do that as well.
Just cast it straight at him and you get a fish. Just directly behind him, a couple of meters, and you're on.
Don't move, you're scaring.
You.
I reckon this little pocket here is the spot to be.
Yeah, but over there in the middle where I started, yeah, that's where we got most.
Just trying. I'm just trying right under you again, mate. Don't worry about that. You're right, mate. You're right, mate.
Take it.